Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubbashir and you are welcome in the world of English literature. Guys, today we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic that is known as figure of speech. Figure of speech. What is figure of speech? Firstly, we will talk about definition. What is the definition of figure of speech? Figure of speech is a device. It is a device that is used to attract the readers. Figure of speech is a device that is used, that is exploited by us, by any writers in the writing to attract the reader, to attract the concentration of the reader, to attract the focus of the reader, to attract the complete concentration of the reader. That is known as figure of speech. For example, all of us use on daily basis figure of speech. We always use figure of speech, but we don't know we are using it or not. We are using figure of speech or not. We don't know, as we are unconscious about what's mean by figure of speech. On daily basis we have discussion, on daily basis we have debate and company and institution and any society or community. We have a lot of discussion. Sometimes we use very important and significant words. Sometimes we use very complicated and extraordinary words. They are called actually figure of speech. Then let's talk about different types of speeches which are most important. Let's talk about the first type, that is irony. What's mean by irony? I think you have listened about. If you have listened about, please kindly go in the comment section and comment there and try type your comment. Either you know about irony or not, either you have listened about irony or not. Let's talk about the first type. What's mean by irony? Definition: use of words, exploitation of words. Exploitation is a synonym of use. Use of words to convey, to deliver, to share, to extend the opposite of literal meaning. Words convey to the opposite of literal meanings. We use dictionary, we use words. There are two words. First is literal. And the second is sentences. A complete sentence meaning. Two meanings are there in a word. First is literal meaning. Use of words to convey the opposite of literal meaning. A statement or situation, any statement or any situation where the meaning is contradicted. The meaning is not same. The meaning is completely different. It requires contradiction by the appearance. Appearance mean show the cover or presentation of idea, or presentation of any idea, any concept. For example, traffic warden is such a model citizen. He got suspended for breaking the rules. You are getting shock. You are shocked and you are feeling shock. At one time he's very model for the citizen. At the same time he has been suspended. Is this sentence right? This is sentence right, but this sentence is trying to let you know that irony means you use simple word but they are difficult. You use difficult word but they are simple word. For example, I'll say you are so dull-minded student. That's why you have passed the CSS examination, civil service examination. Let's talk about the second type, hyperbole. Hyperbole. Use of exaggerated terms for the purpose of emphasis or heightened effect. We use words, we use statements, we use dictionaries, we use some specific idiom sentences to in exaggeration. They are called hyperbole. uh, for example, I am so hungry, I could eat a horse. Oh, horse is not allowed to eat. You are hungry. We accord, but we will not let you know to eat horse. Second thing, if I can't buy that new game, I will die. If I can't buy that new game, I will pass away. I will pay the debt of nature. I think you are understanding. I think if you are not understanding, it's okay. With the time, you will understand. Let's talk about the third type. अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं तीसरी टाइप्स के बारे में. व्हाट इज सिमिले? What is simile? Simile. Please have a little bit concentration on the word simile. Simile. It's like same. Simile. It's like same. So let's talk about the definition. Two unlike things. There are two things which are totally different. Unlike mean different. They are not same. Unlike things that are explicitly compared. Unlike things are explicitly compared. There are two things. They are not same, but they are compared. That is called simile. Let's talk. Let's have discussion by example. She is like a fairy. She is, I'll say, romanticized like a fairy. I say Isa is like star. I say I am like moon. No, I am not like moon. You are like a moon. Yes, you are. You are like a moon. You are like a lion. You are like a tiger. I'm just showing simile. You are same with that thing. Like, as, so. Keep in mind, simile is mostly introduced by these three words: like, as, and so. Let's talk about the type number 4, metaphor. Metaphor. Metaphor means to land. To land. Please lend me your camera for 10 days. Land. Metaphor. Let's talk about the definition. It's an informal or implied simile. It is simile, but it is informal or implied, in which words like as, so are omitted. Are omitted. Words like as, so are omitted. They are wound up. They are eradicated. For example, he is like a lion. He is like a lion. You will say his sir is typing, sir is delivering lecture. Totally in wrong position. I wrote this sentence to make you clear that this is the sentence to simile. This is the sentence to simile. But let's let me clear that she is a star of our family. He is like a lion. He is a lion. He is like a lion. I am using like, but I am not using here like. We are not using here like. He is a lion. He is a tiger. He is a moon. He is a star. He is something gigantic. He is supernatural. He's monster, she is monster. No, let's talk about type number fourth. Let's sorry, fifth, oxymoron. What's mean by oxymoron? It is a figure of speech which combines two seemingly contradictory words for sharp emphasis. Emphasis being to effect, to compress, to pressurize. Figure of speech which combines two seemingly they are same contradictory, but they have contradiction words for sharp emphasis. For example, darkness, visible. Darkness, visible. At the same time, it is dark. At the same time, we can say it. Darkness, visible. While we have listened about the things which are darkened, we can't see them. In the darkness, we can't see. We get blind. But here, the writer is using darkness, visible. Its main, it is oxymoron. Make haste slowly. Make haste slowly. What's mean by it? You should run fast, but slowly. You should do fast, slowly. Loving hate. Loving hate. What does it mean? Loving hate. Loving hate. I think it is clear to you. And these were fifth types, five type of figure of speech. And in the next video, we will talk about the most important figure of speeches which would be totally significant for your examination, for you, and to let you know, to make you conscious how to use in your discussion, how to use in your debate. That's okay. All right. And if you have understood, please go in the comment section and write there you have understood. If you have not understood, it's okay, you will understand with the passage of time. Okay. Okay, that's all. And if you have liked my video, please share it, subscribe my channel, uh, so you should take the next video, please, and click the bell icon also. That's all. Thank you so much.